Welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to insert multiple rows inside this table. So we have 5 rows in this table. What if I want to add 10 more rows inside this table? So if I select this row and go to this home toolbar, inside that I go to cell menu bar. If I go to insert and insert cell, I will be able to insert one row. So what if I want to add 10 rows inside this table? So I'll select one row here and I'll press shift down arrow and I'll click 10 more rows. So if you notice on the left hand side, you will be able to see the number of rows that I have selected. So it's 8th row, 9 and 10th. So now I have 10 rows which I want to insert inside this table. I will release shift and down arrow and I'll go again to insert and I'll click insert cells. Then I'll be able to see 10 more rows along with the first row that we have added before adding the 10 rows gets added inside this table. Thank you.